Hey, Dad, what you cooking?
I got hurt, and I ain't tryna go back to that person that I wasn't.
Hey, McRicker, you killed this motherfucker, man.
I hold grudges, I ain't the type to let you go. I could forgive you, but it's no trust in me, and that's on my soul. How you say you never leave me, quick to hop out when we hit an icy road. Only take one person to have you guessing, is everybody riding? But I ride alone anyway, and yeah, I'ma die alone anyway. But until then, I'ma run it up and stay stupid paid. Worry both sides of the clock, even on my off days. I don't take no off days. I gotta get it back for every loss that I ever had to take. I remember I couldn't get it down to get a chicken patty on my lunch tray. Got older and moved smarter, now I got a nice sack put up for a rainy day. Started this rap shit to take the pain away. Cause Lord knows I done seen some rainy days, and I got some scars
Hey,
that won't
McRicker, you
fade
killed
away.
this
Fuck that
motherfucker, man.
love shit, keep it concrete with me. And you know that talk is cheap with me. Youngest won't creep for me. I done let too many in my circle, and I closed it to a period. Take me as a joke, but it wasn't a time. I ain't keep shit serious, and I ain't scared to show my love. I'm just frightened to give it to the wrong one. Had me in my basement for 36 days, trying to figure out what I've done. My problem is when you told me to come every time I can, and I don't really love these hoes. I guess my dick to blame. Cause when they say they love me, I start to thuggin'. I got hurt, and I ain't trying to go back to that person that I wasn't. Yeah, you look good with your head did, but did I really fumble? Used to have my feelings high, now that shit in crumbles. And I could fall 1,000 times, but I'll get up even if I gotta stumble. And I'm the last man standing. Royal Rumble. I've been chillin' in out the mix. I won't stop until that wrist glitz. And I'm up next to show y'all who the realest in this shit.